As a business owner, you checked your books. They show profits, healthy margin, all smiles. But then your phone buzzes. It's a message from your bank saying that your bank balance is running low. And now you are wondering, where is your cash? Where is your money? Gone. So here is a question. Why do profitable business run out of cash? Why do smart entrepreneurs like you sometimes struggle to pay salaries despite having good revenues? Let's break this down. In this video, we'll talk about cash flow crisis and how your business can avoid this. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll give you a blueprint that has helped an MSME client of ours to go from crisis to cash rich in a period of 6 months flat. So let us first start with understanding the problem. Here is a number that will chill your spine. 82%. Yes, 82% of business fail due to cash flow problems even when they have good profit in their books. Now think about that. Not a bad product, not a bad marketing, not a bad competition, just cash, or we can say lack of it. Let me put it this way. If profit is pulse of a business, cash is the oxygen for business. You need both, and one you need immediately, that is cash. And here's how you fall into the cash flow trap. You sell something today, you deliver it after 7 days, and you collect the payment after 60 days. But salaries are to be paid tomorrow, GST has to be paid day after tomorrow, and vendors are to be paid the next day. Result, you go break even after making good sales. So if profit is about math, cash flow is about timing. Let us understand this in numbers. Meet Arjun, owner of a packaging material business from Gujarat. He receives an order of 75 lakhs. He is happy to receive that order. And why he should not be? Because for the cost for the sales is only 50 lakhs, making a clear profit of 25 lakhs. Or so he thinks. So now, to complete this order, he buys raw material for 30 lakhs, he pays salaries of 10 lakhs, and he makes other admin expenses of electricity and other related expenses for 2 lakhs. All these payments are due in the first month, but the proceed from the sales that he made will be received after the end of 3 months, that is 90 days, because that is what Arjun agreed with the customer at the time of sales because he wanted that sales. So first month he made all those payments from the savings that he had made in the business. In the second month he borrowed based on his personal savings and FDs and somehow managed to survive. But month 3 was worse. He did not have business savings, neither did he have his personal savings. He had to take loan from outside to pay the salaries and meet the vendors. And here's the punch. By the time he received the sales proceed after 93 days, the actual profit, which were earlier 23 lakhs, came down to 10 lakhs. Because he lost the rest of the money by way of interest, penalties and other unforeseen expenses. So what looked to be a profitable business turned out to be a disaster by the end. Don't be Arjun. Now let us understand what should have Arjun done. What can you do to avoid such scenarios in business? Let me take you behind the scene of what we implemented for one of my MSME client as a virtual CFO. Forecast your cash flow weekly, not monthly, weekly. We use a 13-week rolling cash flow tracker. We simply noted down expected inflows and committed outflows. It was not fancy, but it worked. Step 2. Align your payment terms. If client is paying you in 60 days, push your vendors to that terms. If your vendors are not going beyond 30 days, change your client terms to 30 days. Step 3. Build a buffer. We asked our client to maintain 1.5 months fixed expenses emergency fund, which is only to be used in case of emergencies. No exceptions. Prioritize your collection strategy. Don't just hope. Send frequent reminders to your customers. Incentivize them for early payment, penalize them for late payments, and you'll never be in a position where your client is not paying you or delaying your payments. Now let me show you what happens when you do these things right. Bharat Solution is an MSME tech based from Pune. For the year ended March 24, they had a turnover of 18 CR and a profit of whooping 1.4 CR. But their cash flow was a mess. Why? Because their debtors were paying them in 90 days, their payables were due in 15 days, and even with 1.4 CR of profit, the business was running on overdraft facility. They came to us last year and here's what we did. We created a 13-month rolling cash flow. We renegotiated the term with their vendors to increase their credit period from 30 days to 60 days, and we incentivized their customers, bring down their average collection period from 93 days to 71 days. As a result, average cash and bank balance went up from 2.3 lakhs to 24 lakhs, and they saved an amount of 5 lakhs by way of interest which they were paying on overdraft. And this is not it. For the first time, there were no delays in salaries, no delays in vendor payment, and client was having peaceful nights. This is how a good cash flow fixes chaos. Time for a quick recap. Profit is not the same as cash. Cash flow is all about timing. 82% of businesses fail because of poor cash flow management. Use a 13-week forecast for smooth cash flow. Align your receivables with your payables. Build a buffer for emergencies. Track cash weekly and not just when the problem hits you. And one final word, know your bank balances just like you know your sales. This will save your business. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and share with a fellow businessman. You never know, this will be the insight that will help them keep their company afloat. And if you want a 13-week cash flow template that we use with our clients, drop a cash in the comment below and we will share it with you. Subscribe for more business saving CFO level tips. Till next time, keep your profits high and more importantly, keep your cash higher.